Hello everyone, hope you all are good, and I am making this video on the request how to clear the written examination and the interview for the Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy. So we go for the written examination. The questions basically will be very basic question from your trade, like how to connect the resistance in series, resistance in parallel, capacitors in series, capacitors in parallel. There will be the electrical circuit asking the what is the voltage drop across the resistor or the capacitor. So very basic question. Now, if you have done 4 years of engineering in any trade, electrical, electronic, electronics and telecommunication, or electronics and instrumentation, you will be able to make it to the written examination. And there is a particular cutoff for the written examination. After that, you will be called for the interview. And interview is also very simple, which will be taken. This interview will be taken by the electrotechnical officer who has served as an ETO on board the ship, and he will also ask you the very basic electrical questions, and everyone from the different background will be asked different questions. Like if you're from the electrical background, he may probably ask you the dual starter, star delta starter, the auto transformers, and the VFDs and all those questions. The power distribution, the power generation, he will ask you. And if you are from the telecommunication background, the questions will be asked as per that. And mostly the questions is based on the project what you did in the final year, or any mini project which you have done throughout this 4-year tenure in the engineering college. If you are able to explain your project with good clarity, the working principle, the purpose of this project, so he'll be very much convinced, and he will ask you everything, how this is working, and what problems you have faced, how you solve this problem. And so the interview will be very easy if you prepare your project. And he will ask you the very logical questions, like suppose I was from the electronics and telecommunication background, and I was asked the questions like how the remotes work, how the TV works, and how the refrigerator works, and how the projector light works. And he also asked me based on based on the my hobbies, like I mentioned the F1 cars. He asked me about how spark plug works, and how there is a fuel injection into the particular cylinder into the engine. So I told him I didn't know the answer, but I told him that maybe some timer is there. So he asked me, why timer? If there is a timer, how will the timer know that I have to inject the fuel right now? So I told him, sir, there will be something a feedback mechanism from the wheel, which will be acting as a sensing mechanism to put the fuel into the system. That but this particular timing, the piston is up now, and then you have to put the fuel so that the combustion will take place, and then and so on the so process. So he was happy with I didn't know about the camshaft that time, but he was happy with the logical answer I gave to him. So if you are able to give a logical answer, if you don't know, tell him straight away don't know. But if you are preparing yourself or revising all your basic concept from your the engineering particular stream, and revising your project, you will be able to make it through the interview. And keep your morals high, guys, and hope you all clear the examination and come to the shipping industry. And I have seen there are too many shortages of the ETO, because when I am about to sign off, I don't get a reliever, or when my friend is about to sign off, he don't get a reliever. So it clearly states there is a shortage of ETO. So hope you guys make good. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye. Take care.